Today, in continuation with last week's episode, I'm going to be showing you how I make really wonderful mushroom cream pasta with just one ingredient from Costco. Costco has this mushroom cream sauce already made. And in fact, all you need to do is just cook your pasta and add the sauce. But today I'm going to add a little more fresh mushrooms to it to make it tastier and also more presentable. When the water boils, I will add a teaspoon of salt. And today I'm making lunch for my husband and myself, so enough pasta for 2 people only. Because I'm going to be cooking the pasta again in the cream sauce, I'm going to cook it less than the package instruction. Usually they tell you to cook about 11 minutes. Today I probably cook about 7 to 8 minutes only. I want it really al dente. So the pasta is ready. I'm going to use the pan to make the sauce. So let me transfer the pasta. And I need at least a cup of pasta water. So let me I'm not adding any oil because I don't really want it to be too greasy. And it really takes away from the really nice taste of the mushrooms. So just dig in and see how thick mushroom cream sauce is. In fact, you can just add the pasta to it and you'll be finished. To this, I will add a little bit of pasta water. Eventually, I'm going to be using about at least half a cup of pasta water. So just set it aside. I'm just going to add the mushrooms, kind of mushrooms you have. I'm using 3 different kinds here. You're not bound by the mushrooms that I use. Whatever you have, button mushrooms work. I also have oyster mushrooms here that I just tear apart with my hand. If you don't have fresh mushrooms, you don't have to add it. That's the best part about this sauce, is that it's good just as it is. We're going to let it cook a little bit before we add the pasta. Already it looks really good, doesn't it? I'm going to add the pasta to it now. Swirl it around. Remember, my pasta is al dente. So I'm going to cook it in this for maybe 2 to 3 minutes before it's ready. As you can see, it's a little bit thick, right? Then you add a little more pasta water. As you swirl it around, I can already feel the pasta is cooking to the point that I want it to. I wouldn't add any salt to it, but maybe I will just add a little bit of pepper to finish it off. I love pepper in my pasta, so. Sprinkle some parmesan cheese on top, just a little bit, because I don't really like my pasta to be too creamy. It really smells mushroomy, and I love mushroom. I don't know about you, so. À votre santé. I didn't add any salt. I didn't add any other kind of seasoning at all. No olive oil, just the cream sauce with pasta water, and the seasoning and the taste is perfect. So enjoy!